Our containerized seedlings are grown in these plastic containers shown here. The main difference between these and our bare root, which are in the fields behind me, are when you pull a tree out of the container, you get the soilless media with it encasing the roots with the roots all around it. Now, the big advantage to containerized seedlings over our bare root seedlings is that if you have a drier site, you can plant these and the plug actually holds moisture and it allows the seedling a better chance of survival because that moisture is there. Whereas if it was just a bare root seedling on a dry site, they're more apt to dry out. So for packing our containerized seedlings, we'll take a tray. These will then go into a box, a wax coated box that has a plastic bag inside of it. And we target 300 seedlings per box. Depending on the size of the seedling, we'll fill a box up and we'll count 300 and put those 300 in a box, and then we get a weight on it. And then we do that 4 times so we can get an average weight of, okay, there are 4 boxes, you know, they all weigh this is the average. And then as we pack them, our lifting crew comes in, pulls them, they fill the box up, and then they send them down to the man on the scale. And he's looking to make sure that the weight's there, and there may be a couple pounds over or a couple pounds light, and his job is to get that box to that particular average weight. So this lifting process, and it's critical for the containerized as well as the bare root, is important because the seedlings don't need to dry out. If they're drying out, it lessens the chance for that seedling survival. But these have a little better opportunity not to dry out because they have that plug, which is a really big advantage to those. After the seedlings have been packaged, they go on a refrigerated van and then they are sent to the RLM to be planted.